here is this little collection of ACs again. I think only the Goodman's running this time. It's running in cool mode right now. And it's actually in the 60s right now, not very warm. Yeah, this thing is quiet. Especially for a Goodman this old. And I think this is a heat pump. See if I can find the energy. There it is. Yeah, 13 SEER, HSPF of 8. And this is a 2009 1.5 ton Goodman heat pump running in cool mode. And the Concorde is actually a straight cool unit, I believe. I took a thorough look inside of it yesterday, so yeah, I don't see a reversing valve down there. I think that's a straight cool unit. And it says air conditioner at the top, so that's another indication. The Ream, I do not know if it is a heat pump or straight cool. The Goodman just shut off. The Ream, I think, is a heat pump, but I'm not sure. This old Odyssey is a heat pump. And the round one is a heat pump, as you can see. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.